Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick workout on my backyard. I'm mostly going to do some dips and ab exercises, so enjoy. So I'm gonna start off with regular dips. I'm gonna do around 15 reps. Alright, had a little rest after the first set, and now I'm going to do a few deep reps. So I'm gonna try to go as low as possible. Also go pretty slow. This really stretches the chest muscles. One more. Also, before I forget, I'm going to do some simple shrugs, like deep bar shrugs. This is a pretty nice warm-up exercise. Alrighty, so I continue with 1 bar dips, good for them muscle ups. And now moving on to the ab exercises, I'll start off with regular leg raises on deep bars. Alright, I'm gonna try a reverse impossible dip now before I get too tired. I've done it a couple of times, but not in a long time, so not sure how it goes. Let's see. I'm gonna do it this way because the ground is a bit elevated over there, so it's a bit easier and maybe a bit more possible for me, even though it's an impossible dip. Yeah, I can't really go all the way down. I'll put this a bit more. I'll get the grip a bit wider. Not that much. Like this. Yeah, can't get it anymore. A bit too hard now. To be brutally honest, I have no idea what to call this exercise, but let's just say it's like an L-sit running. A good ab burner. Ooh, yeah, it really burns.